Hey everyone, this is Alex from China. We produce cement concrete board. There will be 1,000 kind different board in the world and a lot fireproof. But I believe you less heard about the board and fireproof, also waterproof for the outdoor. Let me show you more.